Alright guys, welcome back to another pour review video of a defrost cycle of my Goodman. Here we are. I have another defrost video of it. $45 is not cold. It's really not that cold for a defrost. It can run a shorter defrost cycle. Just heard it went off from outside. There it goes. Once it starts up, once it starts back up again in regular mode, heat mode, I'm gonna end this video. That will end our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be getting a couple more before I leave here very soon. I'll be doing more of the carrier in the gas furnace real quick. I did the system tours. That's good.